Not really. Surprisingly. Thank you. Okay.
So same thing, we make something creativity here. Like we use a bold, okay, watercolors and all.
Wow. Any age group or anybody?
It's 4+ activity.
Right.
And they earn your 10 kids because they are working as an artist here.
They earn when they are able to spend. So that's the entire philosophy of this.
Yeah.
You would know.
Superb.
You're great to just have you so then just
How
try out
nice.
any of our products.
Please guide. Where do you want me?
Yes. This is a product called brush pen.
I was about to ask this. I haven't seen
Yeah,
something.
see what happens typically.
This is Cameline?
All Camlin and Camel. They are two brands of ours.
Okay.
And in our childhood, all of them in one brush pen to make the life very convenient for children. And that's what actually makes them very excited.
Okay.
Can you please get some
Paper.
or on this?
We are making a photo frame.
Okay.
So ma'am, I'll be giving you some ice cream sticks. You have to make a photo frame out of it.
Okay.
You have to design the ice cream. I'll be giving you 8 ice cream sticks.
Okay.
You can design it with using any of the Cameline products which I'm talking about.
Okay.
These are of course gold sketches.
Lovely. We can speak this also.
And just look here, camera. Yeah, they spend a lot of time also. Yeah, like typically in a month session they spend about 1 hour.
Okay.
And feel free to try out the weekends. But yeah, once we have to do, we take more time. That's right.
It's been some time that we have attended arts and crafts.
But it's good sometimes, think like a child, away from the stressful world.
We have
That time was
I
it
was
functioning?
thinking everything
functioning
like
like it was
this.
inauguration time. In fact.
Okay, so it's,
If you can stick it later.
yes,
Absolutely.
civil.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am for visiting Cameline Arts and Crafts Studio in Kadzenia. Hope
And
you
you
had
get your
fun
art
with us.
delivered to you at the stage.
Sir,
थोड़ा पीछे कैमरा पीछे नहीं जा रहा
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
You'll ask?
सोनाली मैम, सबसे पहले क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस कैमलिन आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट स्टूडियो के बारे में?
मैं कैमलिन के स्टूडियो में पहली बार आई हूँ और ये स्टूडियो देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि हम हमेशा ये तय करते हैं कि बच्चों ने क्या करना चाहिए। कैमलिन ने ये तय किया है कि बच्चों को क्या बताना नहीं चाहिए। इट वॉज़ ब्यूटिफुल टू पार्टिसिपेट इन वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज़ because it definitely says a lot about the brand. Cameline gives a lot of liberty to kids and definitely instigates their creativity. So it was wonderful being here and being a child for a little time.
ओके, आप किस तरह के स्कूल में थी तो किस तरह से आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में आपकी इतनी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड थी?
मैं मराठी मीडियम से हूँ तो हमारे माय मिस्टेक सॉरी सुजीत किड्जेनिया नाम है इस जगह का। किड्जेनिया नाम है इस जगह का।
कंटिन्यू।
मैं पूना से हूँ और मैं मराठी मीडियम से हूँ तो हमारे लिए चित्रकला और हस्तकला बहुत मायने रखते थे। ये जब हमारे आवर्स आते थे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छे शिक्षक मिले हैं। तो उनके साथ ये सीखना जहाँ पे वो नहीं बताते कि हमने क्या ड्रॉ करना चाहिए था और हमेशा साथ रहा कैमलिन के प्रोडक्ट्स का। बहुत जेलसी होती थी अगर किसी के पास ज़्यादा रंगों वाली हम पेटी देखते थे तो, और हमेशा मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स के पीछे पड़ी रहती थी कि आप मुझे बड़ी वाली लाइए, नई वाली लाइए बॉक्स। तो इट फील्स नाइस टू ग्रो अप। आई फील रियली नाइस एंड आई एम फाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ इन माई पेरेंट्स शूज़। जब मैं मेरी बेटी को बोलती हूँ कि नहीं पहले ये जो कलर्स हैं वो इस्तेमाल करो फिर हम नए लाएंगे।
जी, अपनी बेटी को यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे आप जल्दी?
ज़रूर लेके आऊँगी क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि कैमलिन ने इतना सुंदर स्टूडियो यहाँ पे बनाया है बच्चों के लिए। तो मुझे लगता है कि उसकी अगली छुट्टी और मैं ज़रूर यहाँ पे पार्क्ड हुई आपको दिखाई दूंगी।
जी, मराठी फिल्म में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हैं आप, हिंदी फिल्मों में कब आ रही हैं?
ज़रा थोड़ा सा समय दीजिए, क्योंकि जो मराठी फिल्म मैंने की थी जिसका नाम था डॉक्टर प्रकाश बाबा आमटे, वो बाइलिंगुअल फिल्म थी जो हिंदी में भी बनी है, जिसका नाम है हेमल कसा। और वो इस साल ऑस्कर्स के मेन कंपटीशन में, ओपन कंपटीशन में मौजूद है। तो बेस्ट फिल्म, बेस्ट एक्टर और बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस के लिए हम compete कर रहे हैं। आपके आशीर्वाद और आपकी बेस्ट विशेस हमारे साथ रहें, यही उम्मीद है।
कितना ज़रूरी होता है ऑस्कर अगर मिल जाए तो, खासकर हिंदुस्तान और मराठी सिनेमा के लिए?
मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी कंपटीशन, कोई भी अवार्ड एक बहुत अच्छी कॉम्प्लीमेंट होती है, जो कि क्रिटिक्स और जर्नलिस्ट आपको देते हैं। और जिन्होंने दुनिया देखी है, जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देखा है, उनसे अगर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिल रही है तो अच्छा ही फील होता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके ऊपर आपके आगे वाले निर्णय या आपका कॉन्फिडेंस निर्भर करता है, लेकिन आपकी प्रशंसा अगर किसी ने की तो आपको ज़रूर अच्छा ही लगता है, और मुझे हमेशा अच्छा लगता है और ग्रैटिट्यूड महसूस होता है।
आपको यहाँ पे फिर से आना अच्छा लगेगा विजिट देने के लिए?
सिर्फ एक बार नहीं, बार बार आना अच्छा लगेगा, थैंक्स टू कैमलीन। और आज का जो इनिशिएटिव है, आज जो प्रिंसिपल डे मनाया जा रहा है, वो मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। और नॉट फॉर द प्रिंसिपल डे बट फॉर कैमलीन्स एक्टिविटी, आई वुड लव टू कम अगेन एंड अगेन। थैंक यू सो मच, लवली।
Please come. Okay, you want somebody to go ahead and get it? Can you just tell? What's your name? Sujit. Tanvi?
So we are straight heading to the
Yes. The principals are waiting for you.
Yes. I'm glad we are in time.
Yes, we are.
For them.
With Mumbai traffic, you cannot ever assure.
No, I have this bad habit of
Came before in time today. The speakers come up on stage and just present her a bouquet. Along with them, we have our international business head, Shyam Wani, who can also please come up.
ओ भाई,
We'll take your
ओ दादा,
parcel.
ओ दादा, साइड चलो साइड।
Thank you, ma'am. A very good afternoon to all of you, respected Dada and entire Camelin team and all the principals who are present here today. I'm slightly jittery because I have never addressed to any headmaster or principal eye to eye. So please pardon me if I am fumbling or if I am not fluent enough. I'll try to. I'm from Pune and in my school days, I'm from Marathi medium and my English medium principal was Meena Chandavarkar, who has been a great inspiration till date when it comes to kids' education and creativity. She has been an inspiration and one has definitely looked up to her, and of course my principal Rajani Date from Abhinav Vidyalaya. But when I was in high school, there was a bit of trauma to face our headmaster, Kamlakar Dhasasi. We used to be petrified for some reason. Probably, one would think that he would ask ki kiti marka milale, kutल्या paper मध्ये, and we used to be pretty petrified. It took us some time to understand. I always felt what I have experienced with myself is I used to be very, very happy, free and joyous when the arts and crafts and drawing class would be there. Those periods were like dream for me. I used to be more expressive rather than being in any other period. I never felt a principal can matter so much till the time I realized that we are celebrating something called Principal's Day, thanks to Cameline. Uh, they always, I mean, for me, principals have been managers who run the school probably, who probably earn funds for the school, who look after the school, and they have nothing to do with education. That's what has been my impression, but I must correct myself, and your concepts always are getting refined as you spend time with yourself, with your life, and you take life seriously. Thanks to Cameline, so many things are underlined, that a principal who's the person who will definitely give a direction to the entire school, they will decide what is the attitude of the school. Some schools take pride in saying that हमारे students हमेशा board में top करते हैं. Some principals always say that we are good in sport, and some say that we have really wonderful students in our school. These wonderful students matter a lot to me because they mean good human beings and the next generation of our country. I appeal to all of you, and definitely you have trained us and taught us to be here today, so I needn't appeal or request anything to you, but since I'm a young mother and I'm experiencing variety of things in life, and I'm exploring the new meanings every now and then, because Cameline is coming back to my life and I'm feeling really nice about it. I have cherished all my presents. I have taken part in each and every drawing competition Cameline had. 26 January was the official day of Cameline drawing competitions. If anyone has visited Pune, if you know Sambhaji Park, you would have found me on each 26 January. Me and my elder brother Sandesh at Sambhaji Park, we would be painting whatever we felt, and we would get a new color box that day. My parents would go for blood donation, and they would come back to pick us up, and many a times we didn't win anything, but participating was more important. Being a part, being active, being expressive was more important in my family, and of course in my school where principal mattered. They always were very, very encouraging when kids went a little out of the box. They were not very, very keen all the time where you were present all the days. They were more keen on having the presence of mind and place, and when you were present in all the activities rather than all the papers and mark sheets. I have cherished all my gifts from Cameline. I am really touched. First of all, I need to break away from a speech and thank the Cameline family big time. Thank you for having me here today. It feels really special with a brand who has left a beautiful impression on my childhood, and I cherish my childhood like anything. I strongly believe that childhood matters a lot when we are constructing our personality and our thoughts. So Cameline has been a beautiful part of my growing up days. Today when I have a 4-year-old daughter, she's just turned 4, and I must share with you, as a underexperienced mother, she's my first child, and I always felt I will make a wonderful parent because many friends have kids and many relatives, so nephews and nieces. So I always felt overconfident that I'll be a decent mother. I mean, I'm learning. I'm not. I'm making mistakes every now and then, and I'm learning as much as I can. But I was under impression that I will be a good one. But my daughter is helping me to learn variety of things about life. As she turned 1, I immediately wanted her to start drawing, and I bought many papers and drawing books, and I felt she will immediately take the chalk and she will start drawing something. I had to wait. Parenthood has taught me a great amount of patience. I had to wait till she actually felt like doing what she wants to do. She's a nature-loving person, and she took some time to start drawing actually. And when she started, I really felt nice. I recently painted a blackboard at home, and I felt that it will be nice if she wants to express herself, she will be able to write something. And both of us spent a beautiful activities together, and one of the activities is painting rangoli together. And for me, I know all the rangolis with dots. I can draw as many rangolis. I have many books. I keep learning new rangolis. And the day I asked her when she started talking that, what should I draw for you? Which rangoli? And she said, draw a butterfly. And one day she said, draw a moon. And I said, रंगोली में moon कैसे बनाते हैं? वो भगवान के सामने शायद बनाते हैं, जो मेरी माँ बनाती है. But how do I make a moon in rangoli? But now you should see, छोटा सा आंगन है हमारी अपार्टमेंट में, बिल्कुल छोटा सा, probably few square feet. And both of us try and express ourselves because she other day asked me to draw Santa Claus. And I realized that I am a very basic painter. I cannot make a Santa Claus or reindeer. But she's kind enough to allow me to paint stars and draw probably sky. So we are coming up with variety of colors, and how much ever bad a painting is, she never criticizes me. She at times tells me that this is not the color of a star, or probably that have you seen a star with colors, and I hold back myself, and I feel like letting her imagine things that she would like to see the world as. So I was telling you about the blackboard that I painted in my house. So there were chalks in front of her, and she was quite amused because she hadn't seen her friends' houses with blackboards, and her school is a Montessori system school, wonderful school called Harmony. They don't have a blackboard. I haven't seen a blackboard in her classroom. So I was very curious what she will do. And the first thing, she took a chalk, and the first thing what she did was she started doing something, some lines. And in the very first minute, she went out of the blackboard. And I was like, don't do, it's a new one. Don't start painting on the wall. And I again held back, and I just felt that this is a wonderful thing. A child is not scared. She has not decided what she should do. And thankfully, as parents, me and my husband are not preaching her what she should not be doing. It's a nice thing to realize that somebody is able to think out of the box, and somebody is able to imagine the world which is slightly beyond the restrictions, which made me feel really nice and hopeful that how much ever good or bad I am considering myself, the child is turning out to be a very, very free and joyous child because she is able to express herself fearlessly. I congratulate all of you for choosing this profession called teaching and being in the education system, because you matter a lot. You matter a lot. I mean, I'm seeing so many young faces. I hope they too are associated with schools and teaching. You matter a lot to our emotions and to our growing up as a mature citizen of our country. Let us create a generation who's responsible, who's not scared of expressing themselves, who's able to paint the world beautifully in variety of colors, because ultimately all of us believe that life is beautiful, and to create a beautiful life, if we create education as fun thing rather than a must-do thing. In college, when I got my first film, Girish uncle called up. I had no telephone at my place, my auntie had, so she called me, Sonali, come down, Girish Karnadan's phone alai patkan ye. And I ran down, and Girish uncle was talking to me. I'm just sharing how people and their perspective matters. So Girish uncle said after like 2-3 auditions, he was calling me and he said, Sonali, I would like you to play the lead role of our film, Cheluvi. Would you like to play that part? And I was quite aghast to understand this question. I mean, he didn't say that we have chosen you as the heroine of our film, so come and shoot on given dates. He didn't say that. He offered me the film, which was a unique thing. I mean, you know how education matters. He's a Rhodes Scholar. He was a teaching faculty in Chicago University. A Xerox of that letter, which Girish uncle had written to Dr. V.M. Bachal, who was the principal of Ferguson College then, asking him the permission if his student can assuring that she will appear for the exams whenever the college decides. I wish I had kept a copy of that that letter. I haven't, but to which Bachal sir had also afterwards shot for a film called Chelumi, which was the best environmental film of the year, and which went to Cannes, and Cannes International Festival back then wasn't all about fashion as it is now. It was also about wonderful films that you got to see. And that Cannes Festival gave me many other films. I got to witness is something really special, because where the movie starts is the time when Dr. Prakash and Mandakini Amte went to Himalkasa, where the tribal community over there did not know what is it to earn. The only thing they knew to earn their food was to kill animals. They did not know how to grow anything. So this was the basic effort by Amte family to teach them that you can grow your own food. You can eat something else than animals. This was the basic thing. Then there was health, which was definitely, they were not aware about some hygiene and healthcare issues, which they were taught.
Yeah, so now it is like, now they are to certain extent settled their life.
They in a way have, and the importance of education has definitely reached to them. So there are people who are engineers, who are doctors, who are teachers, who are lawyers. So you can see the next generation talking about issues about our country. In a way they were detached, but now they are like any other society from our country, any corner of our country.
The movie shows the struggle that they took. Whereas you have experienced the present situation in India.
I have, and
that is why
it's very true. And the generation like Samidha and Samiksha Amte and her husband. I mean, the next generation I'm talking about, Mandakini Amte and Prakash Amte's sons. Anaga Amte is their daughter-in-law. Samiksha is also daughter-in-law, and both the sons. They are taking a lot of initiative. Because for me, Anaga and Samiksha also are my role models. They are from my generation. Anaga is from Goa, Samiksha is from Pune, and they have chosen to be there in Himalkasa. Anaga is a doctor, and Samiksha is taking care of the new school that they have opened in Nelgunda. So, which is quite encouraging that, you know, it is not a set example of success, that somebody got successful and we can clap for them. No, there are still volunteers which are needed. We still need to contribute, not necessarily our earnings or money, but also our presence, interest, and spreading the word about the good activity. Like we should about the Principal's Day of Camelin. This is, I feel, a very, very interesting activity, and let us make it popular. It is our responsibility. What Camelin has offered to us, we have to take it to more and more people.
Thank you very much.